Is that a request to go with this?
Nothing at all to do. Nope.
Is it going to be 3-phase, do you know? Is that why they're doing it?
It is, yes. V-phase, two phases.
2 phase?
Yeah. But nothing to do with this.
Just coincidence, it stops right
They're
here.
converting the whole center of town, and they got to cut it all over to do that. That's why they're doing, to split the load, to even the load out on town.
Yeah, I guess my point was, why is it stop right here at the end of this
You have to
job?
ask Eversource.
Seems like
But
a
I
hell of a
promise,
coincidence. That's
promise
all
you
I
it
was
has nothing
asking.
to do with this.
I don't much believe in
Scott,
coincidences,
may
but
we start way over here where you blasted to see the back wetlands and then come back across, please?
Sure, we didn't blast anything, just so you know.
Or dug out
But
or
yes, we
whatever.
can.
no, I don't think so.
Sean, I'm sorry. Tell me I'm calling you by the wrong name.
No, I'm right.
It's okay. It's okay to be wrong.
Yeah.
Hopefully he just showed up.
I'm busy trying to stay out of trouble.
Yeah, you're trying to stay out.
I like the boots, Scott.
Well, the cars,
They don't look like outdoor. They look like fake, like when
The only kind of outdoor boots I have.
no, but I mean they're not. We're all separated. Oops, somebody else. Oops, more people. All right. Well, I want everybody to, I don't want to write until we're all together. I don't know where they're coming,
We'll start on the far side, working our way
but
back.
I don't know. They just keep walking.
It's a lovely day for a walk.
It wasn't earlier, but it is now.
Sure it wasn't. It was a lovely day for a right around that banking.
Yeah.
In a big shape of a huge S. If it's all wet year round. And I think that's why they filled it in before they asked for the permit.
But what did Galloway do?
And Earth Google will show you them pictures before they did it. You can see where the wetlands were.
This happened. I was out here 3 years ago with John Galloway, wanting to sell this property.
Do you remember the wetlands?
Are we walking out? I say, should it be this way?